So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin kabola ang isa na naman po ang bago pong trade rumor na pinost po ni Snow Bad. Hindi para ito panibago kabola, diba? It could be an update, no, of one of his recent po na trade rumor, and then a lot of things happening around the league kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po kabola with this big victory of Converge kontra San Miguel Beermen. This is very big for them kabola, kasi they are trying, itong Converge, they are trying to avoid the number 8 seed, and with this victory against San Miguel Beermen kabola, hindi na po sila magiging number 8 seed. And of course, sa atin po ng mga fans na talagang gusto makita po ang parity, we want to see itong mga independent teams kabola na wala po sa 8 seed, di ba kabola? So this is a good news kabola, na nanalo sila. And the victory was actually very pretty. It shows growth from this team, kasi back and forth yung naging laruan kabola. At dito na pinakita ulit ni Winston kabola that he could be that clutch scorer that they need, no? Kung hindi po si Stockton, si Winston talaga kabola yung isa pang pwede. And even JL De Los Santos kabola did well, and even the Twin Tower, they also did well. Shows lang talaga din the future of Converge. If they can remain independent and they sustain this team kabola, they have a kabola. Now, Calvin Abueva understands trade, a business decision by Magnolia kabola. So, once si Calvin Abueva kabola, naman natin, na-trade to, diba? From Northport to Magnolia Hotshots. And now, he's doing well, no? He's showing as one lasura, siguro, by Calvin Abueva kabola. And of course, matagal na siya sa PBA. So, of course, ano bang tingin natin dito? Parang rookie kabola, na masasaktan pa pag magta-trade. Of course, hindi na yung masasaktan kabola. Now, the expectation lang dito, will he remain with Northport? That's another question, di ba? Now that he really played well in these last few games niya with Northport kabola, the desire siguro ng ibang team na makuha siya is lumaki. Now, wag niyo munang isulat kabola na baka hindi mo maasali ang Star Horse, kasi ganito nga kabola, by spin.ph stuff kabola, gusto pa rin daw po na makasali ng Star Horse sa PBA. And of course, that is a good news for us fans of the PBA kabola. We want Star Horse. If they are a legit independent team, we want them in the PBA kabola, kasi kailangan talaga natin na dumami pa po ang independent teams. And of course, we should be happy na ito palang PBA, kahit na ganito na po nangyayari dito kabola, kahit napakarami pong controversy kabola, diba? Sobrang daming negativity from farm teams, from unfair trades kabola. May mga kumpanya pa rin na gusto pumasok dito. Isa nga po dyan ang Star Horse kabola. And again, Star Horse is a legit. It's a legit company kabola, They have a legit product. Now, in-explain nila dito ano nangyari dun sa pag-acquire nila kay Terrafirma. Ang pinapoint out nila, may technicalities lang na hindi talaga nila na-comply kabola. Kaya hindi po nila nakuha ito pong Terrafirma. And now, they are hopeful kabola that if given another chance, they can now get it. Now, I hope kung wala pong magbibenta sa kanilang franchise, at least sana i-consider po ng PBA kabola that they can become an expansion team kabola. Kasi again, this is for the betterment of the league. Bakit ganun? After sumakit ulo ko, sumunod naman nahilo ako pagkatapos kung tumalon. Ano kaya susunod dito? Sabi niya kabola. Ito po post ni Snow Bad kabola. So, sino ba yung mga tinutukoy niya dito? Of course, yung sumakit ulo ko, that is heading, di ba? After sumakit daw yung ulo, may kasunod pa, di ba? Pagkatapos kung tumalon, ano kaya yun, di ba? Pag tumalon, that could be referring to Stockton because of his style na talon ng talon. Parang na-point out na rin ito bad ba yung dati. So, again, is this stating that Stockton will be the next one na Converge will trade? Another name po that the fans brought out is Halalon, kasi Halalon, tumalon, sinanimo, kumbaga magkatunog kabola. So is this Halalon kabola to TNT ulit? Of course, narumor na rin yan. Kabola, sino kaya ang next na makakuha ng TNT? Halalon o Stockton? Kami lang po sa baba.